Hi there, this is Monoar Hossain, and today we will talk about a business. I found a website, and we will talk about that website, how can improve this website, or what else this business can do with this website. So I can see the website have a domain, and this website have not any logo. I don't know why most of the business are missing their logo, because logo is a most important part for a website, because this is the identity, man. So you need a logo, obviously. So I can see here this website favicon is just a general icon. So when he will have a logo or icon, then this website owner can use the favicon icon here, like look like as the other website, like is YouTube have their logo, ChatGPT have their logo, Wix have their logo, Gmail have their own favicon icon. So for this website, if they have an logo, they can display the logo here, and there will be the name. They can obviously display the name. But I can see this business offers some of the energy spa located on New York. Like as I have seen, they have the services back rub, foot relaxology, special combo, and facial. So if this website will be a complete website, like as if this business will have a home, about, services, and contact page, then it will be a complete website. And when they will do the search engine optimization for the Google to get found their website on Google as well, so it will be obviously helpful when the website will have the complete all of the pages that need to create a website. Like as here will be the logo, then here we can display the menu, the social media icon, and on the first look we'll have a full cover picture, but I have seen they have used a slider here, so obviously they can use a here full width the slider. And when this website will have all of the other pages, so on the services page individually they can display all of the services, and on the home page there will be 3 card section, and then they can display their services with a picture and a button view mode, so it will go to the services page, and each services will have an individual page, and they can display their recent work on there, and it will be look like as a complete website, look like that way. And they have only one page that I can see. One page website is good, but for a complete business they need a complete website. They have not any logo, any identity, they have just the name. So for this website they can include the other pages with a blog page as well. They can give there some of the tips as well on the blog page, regular basic, like as in these days with AI they can create some good content for their website, and they can include a blog page, and then this website will be notified on Google as well, because Google want more information. This website have more information, Google will give more priority to rank on Google with the business. So I, as like as I have my own website, there I am providing Wix website design services. I have include all of the pages that I offer and here is the testimonial as well for this business. Business things is the same, so they can display here some of the recent project or the client testimonial as well. So for the new user, for the new client, they will be more confident when your website will have some of the testimonials. And obviously everyone don't want to book online directly. If they have some of the question, they want to ask you that yes, I need this services, but I need this extra also. So if they want to talk with you, then obviously we need to allow a contact page, and on the contact page we will have a contact forum. So for the general inquiry they can ask you, or you can, the website owner can add a WhatsApp directly to message. So if anyone have any quick question, they can easily ask, or they can directly call you as well. So we need to display the phone number here with the phone icon, so it will be more user friendly for the visitor to book on the website. And obviously you can use any kind of booking system on this website. I can see already they are using a booking system. This booking system they can integrate with the full website, so it will be a complete business website. That's it for this business for initial. If you have your own website, then you may knock me. I can assist you to giving you idea how can you improve your website. On the video description have the contact information link. You can send me directly a message for a free audit for your website. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye for now.